Hello, good afternoon. So I'm right here trying to harvest my taro, Japanese taro, because I'm trying to clean out because these are my compost site. So I'm going to fix it again and then plant the new mother of taro because they way too much in that side. Like you can harvest anytime all year because they grow lots of babies. So I have a lot of babies here. See, here's my taro, my Japanese taro. I usually use this for cooking soup like sinigang, Philippine style. So, and here's the mother. See, I have lots of babies, so I have to remove the babies, plant the mother, and another mother. I got lots of mother of Japanese taro, and I have more on that side, so I'm going to remove so that's separate so they can grow more babies. Happy harvest, everyone!